Imagine walking into a hospital where not a single doctor is human. Every diagnosis, every surgery, and every life-saving decision is powered by artificial intelligence.
No waiting rooms filled with overworked staff. Only intelligent machines working around the clock.
It may sound like science fiction today, but could this become America's healthcare system tomorrow? Artificial intelligence is already helping doctors detect diseases faster than ever before. Now imagine that technology becoming the hospital itself. Would you trust a robot to perform surgery if it had a perfect success record? Welcome to America's first AI hospital, where the future of medicine begins.
The moment you enter, an AI receptionist instantly recognizes your face and securely retrieves your medical records. Within seconds, intelligent systems analyze your symptoms and recommend the right department. Instead of clipboards and paperwork, every detail appears instantly through secure digital records.
If something changes, emergency teams are alerted almost instantly.
Team Bravo, dispatch to Trauma Bay 4 immediately.
Smart delivery robots transport medicines and equipment through automated hospital corridors.
Human doctors still play an important role, working alongside AI to review complex medical decisions.
But the most incredible technology lies behind the operating room doors.
AI nurses monitor every heartbeat, breathing pattern, and vital sign in real time.
Beyond these doors, advanced surgical robots prepare for operations with extraordinary precision.
Every movement is guided by intelligent systems, designed to support surgeons with remarkable accuracy.
High-speed AI analyzes millions of medical data points before each procedure even begins. Tiny Roboticus could one day help doctors perform delicate procedures with incredible control. Outside the operating room, AI continuously monitors every patient's recovery in real time.
Families receive secure updates through intelligent digital healthcare systems, keeping them informed every step of the way.
As technology advances, the biggest question isn't what AI can do, it's how humans choose to use it.
And that brings us to the greatest debate of all. Should an AI ever make life and death medical decisions? An AI hospital could operate 24 hours a day without fatigue, helping medical teams respond faster during emergencies.
Advanced systems could continuously monitor thousands of patients at the same time, helping doctors identify urgent cases more quickly.
But even the most advanced technology depends on secure systems and responsible human oversight.
Trust, privacy, and transparency would become just as important as medical innovation.
In this possible future, human doctors and AI may work as partners, combining experience with powerful technology.
Together, they could help make healthcare faster, more accurate, and more accessible for millions of people.
Yet one question remains. Should the final medical decision always belong to a human? The answer could shape the future of medicine for generations to come.
Imagine visiting this hospital in the year 2050, where advanced AI and human doctors work together to deliver faster, smarter healthcare.
For some, this future represents hope. For others, it raises difficult questions. Questions about trust and responsibility, and the role of technology in medicine.
No one can predict exactly what healthcare will look like in 2050. But innovation is moving faster than ever before.
The future won't be shaped by artificial intelligence alone. It will also be shaped by the choices humanity makes. Would you trust an AI hospital to care for your family? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed exploring this fictional vision of the future, subscribe to NextGen Future for more cinematic documentaries about tomorrow's America.
That's it for today's look at tomorrow. Like this video if you love future tech. Would you trust an AI hospital? Let us know below. And subscribe to NextGen Future for more futuristic documentaries.